Oh
Just
damn! I
leave it
didn't
at one channel for now. That's cool.
Oh, I thought that was another set of handcuffs. It was fucking.
So, do you guys know that what's it called? It's coming to what's it called? Oh, Grand Theft Auto 5 is coming to Steam. Did you guys hear about that?
I'm looking forward to it a lot.
Yeah, me too, man. I don't have money for it, but I'm so looking forward to it.
I ain't got no money, but I'll suck your dick. You buy it for me.
Oh.
Whoa! What you say, Akira?
Yeah. Come on, man. Come on.
Alright, I'm gonna hop on DayZ.
Yeah, I think I could join you.
I was just removing that group because that group don't need to be there.
Which group?
Yeah, what group? Akira?
Have you thrown a couple sales pitches to the guys back in
User
Finna?
left your channel. User joined your channel.
Hey, buddy! Buddy, Fresh
Flag,
Spawn,
yes,
I
sir.
see you.
Oh.
Please help me. Hey, can you come help me?
Oh, an operator.
Who's this guy down here in the water?
User left your channel.
Hey,
User
can you
joined
help
your
me,
channel.
bud?
Yeah,
I'm over here.
you
Turn
go.
around. I'm over here, man.
What?
I need help,
Can you
man.
figure out server options
Well,
yet?
we need help.
Can for some
No,
reason it
I'm
says
still
I'm bleeding,
handling,
but I can't bandage myself.
Captain Slot.
Can you take them rags and bandage me up, man?
Because hold
Please.
on. I'm coming to you. I'm taking my headset off.
Yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it.
This guy ain't got shit, dude. It's like a little, fucking 12-year-old kid. I'm about to knock him out when he does it. When he starts bandaging me, dude.
I knew that. I'm like, he's fucking setting them up.
Hell yeah, I am. I ain't bleeding. You fucking crazy?
I love that.
Don't you ever trust anybody. Don't you fucking trust nobody. Ever. Ever. In this game. Don't you do it. Don't you ever trust nobody. You understand me? Don't you ever do it.
Really, Mr. Handcuffs?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Why?
Cause you're bleeding now. And you're gonna give me my bandages back, bitch.
Yeah.
Hey, can someone come help me beat up this
Hey, how long
zombie?
left today?
This zombie over here. This zombie's just laying on the ground and talking. I haven't heard a zombie talk before. It's scaring the shit out of me. Please help me. Do you still have a strong pulse? How the fuck you still got a strong pulse?
Because I can't.
Must be eating well.
It's okay. I'm gonna let you back up. I'll let you back up.
I hear you clicking.
Oh yeah, this could be a good
Oh.
recruiting tool,
Oh, you hear me clicking? Oh, my bad. Hang on, let me stop clicking.
What does?
No.
Yes, sir, you can. Hey, bro, I changed you and Taco to captain because it was too many ranks that could do the same stuff.
Don't you dare ever trust anybody. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Rule number 24. Don't trust anybody.
I think that's rule number 1.
Okay.
Akira,
Don't ask me what the other 23 are. I don't know.
It's not letting me do it.
Don't ever trust anybody. Especially a guy with a fucking burlap sack on his head. You fucking dummy.
Alright, so down there.
Relax felt good, man. I thought you maybe had food.